So, Bobby Necro, male 39 UK, says, I feel anxious about my life after my divorce. Who wouldn't? I find it, though, I found it tough to start again building my own success. You find it tough, but is it the right thing to do or not? Many things in life is tough. From the moment we are born, it's tough. Why do you think we're crying? Because it's tough. Taking us from somewhere that we were comfortable and secure, putting us in an environment that we don't really know what the heck is going on from any part of it. So we are built to be tough. We are thrown into an unknown from the beginning of our life. If we can do it then, survive it all, come to be who we are today, we can do this darn little thing that you're talking about. You didn't even know how to read a book, no knowledge. You couldn't even have your own food. You were simply incapable of anything and needed support with everything, yet you survived and you did so well and you learned and you tried and you weren't afraid. You believed in yourself. Why? Because there was nothing else in there for you. There was only one option. You had not separated yourself from the universe, from the nature, from the energy of life. You were one with it. You knew nothing else. You were part of the universal energy. So to you, there was no that and me, this and me. There was only one. Being part of whatever is out there. No division. That understanding that there was no division made you strong, made you invincible, made you capable to do whatever it was needed for you to do to survive. And you did, because that was your prime directive. Now, however, the desire and pleasure and ego and all that shit come to the picture, and it takes over your priorities, which is simply experiencing life, being one with life, understand you're invincible in many ways. And now you're supposed to feel that you're supposed to comply with the wishes of desire. Go after pleasure. Fluff your ego. And you think they are you, rather than they're being a fragment of you. So you're following that and find yourself separated from the actual power that exists, that we are all one with it, and you think you're weak because you separated yourself from where you get your power. But when you were a little child, knew nothing, then you knew everything, because there was nothing to interfere with your instinctive understanding that you are part of a whole and you're powerful as being part of the whole powerful universe, nature. Now you've separated yourself from it and you're hanging on someone who has left you thinking that was your power. You're connected to another human being who doesn't know and is not aware, and it is not capable as the actual Mother Nature. Instead of aligning yourself with your roots, who you are, part of the nature, being able to do anything you put your mind into it, as you did when you were a little kid, you've turned into a mush. I don't know if I can build anything because I can't lay between her legs. Can you listen to yourself? Or I don't know if I can do anything because I'm used to how things were. Well, you created those orders that you're used to it. You're the architect of it all. You can do it again. It wasn't like they came from outer space and gave you that kind of a comfort in your psychology and your psyche and made you feel secure. You did it all by yourself. You can do it again. You are the master. You are still connected to the universe. All you have to do is switch it back on. Become aware of it, that I can do things. I am capable. My capability is not limited to her or to him, whatever your relationships are, if a man, woman, whatever it is. Your connection is to the universe. Universal capabilities and unlimited, which extends into you and onward, so you can accomplish things as you did witness to when you were an infant and didn't know epsilon of what you know today. But yet you had belief. You were connected without even know what it is that you're connected to. You just knew that your powers are unlimited. You felt it. You felt one with the nature. And you acted on it. Now you have learned, compared, and been conditioned to think you're not enough, you're not strong, you gotta have this to be strong, you gotta have that, and you forgot about the whole thing that is freely yours and nobody can take it away from you. Your connection to life. That's where the power is. That's where the willpower is. And you can do anything you put your mind to it. Now I gotta put that thing in because it's interfering with our picture. Since I turned it around, I forgot to fix this up. All right. That should do it. Now, so, what do you say about that? I hope that will put you back on track and make you realize who you are, where you are, what you can do, and stop this business of anything comes along. Some girl likes you, some girl doesn't like you, makes you feel good about yourself, and I can take on the world, and then she doesn't. Oh, my power is gone. Well, it was all you. It's all your mind. It's all the way you think, nothing else. Your capabilities wasn't because she came into your life. You're still capable, we're capable, are capable. It comes from you. The fact that you enjoy her company, that has nothing to do with your capabilities. You can still accomplish anything you put your mind to. So go ahead, put your mind to it and build your life. Who do you think built the other one? You did. Go on, do it again with someone else. Now, and Bobby Necro also said, I don't know how to feel fulfilled. Oh, you are fulfilled already just being here. Just focus on it. No, you're not trapped. You think you're trapped. We create our own traps. We give up moving forward, not because we can't, just because we think we should. It is easier not to try than try. A human being is in some parts lazy, doesn't want to try, wants things to be the way he or she wants it to be. And that's how we've conditioned in this world that things should be easy. Because everything has become a little bit easier than it was 1,000 years ago. Lots of technologies and comfort and so on. And it's kind of leached into our own persona, change our personality, so therefore we have changed our personal environment by thinking that we should be lazy because everything can be available. No, go build it. The things that are not available for you, go make it. Create it. You can do it. Salut.